Hindi ko rin maintindihan yung part na bakit siya nag-sorry. Do they owe an apology to the people ba? Event naman nila yun. Concept naman nila yun. Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam kung sino yung caterer. Hindi ko alam kung ano ba yung concept ng event nila. I mean, who are we to judge? Ito lang naman yung nakita natin. So, hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng gimmick ito. Slavery yung dating niya sa akin. I'm sorry. Nagpaliwanag naman si Tony Sia and she posted an apology na dun sa remarks niya na parang she was amazed na ang bongga for her, ganyan. Hindi ko rin maintindihan yung part na bakit siya nag-sorry. Hindi naman si Tony Sia yung nag-organize. Pero sa bagay, yeah, with how she reacted on it, I guess that's why people were mad at her. But I believe more than Tony Sia posting an apology for this, I think dapat yung caterer din or the event organizer should also, I don't know, do they owe an apology to the people ba? Event naman nila yun. Concept naman nila yun. Dapat ba? Dapat ba silang mag-sorry? If you think about it, yung event naman yun was a private event. Hindi ko alam. Eto, para sa akin lang. But since it cost so much, parang debate on people, baka they should. Next time siguro kapag ganito, what if artista yung magsaserve tapos nasa katawan niya? Would it be dehumanizing din? Or papayag kaya yung artista? Kung artista yung magsaserve.
Ano pang ginagawa mo dito, ha?
Sinasabi ko na nga ba eh.
Solid yes friend ka talaga.
Dahil nandito ka na rin lang, sige na,
Mag-like at mag-comment ka na.
mag-subscribe ka na rin at i-click ang notification bell.
Para mapasali ka sa mga kalokohan namin.
Bawal na bawal mag-no dito, ha? Kasi yes to yes!